tayo. Okay, what do you call this part? Huh? Again. This one. Oh, this one. Okay, sit down. Hirap na po yung kukuhan sa table. Okay. Bakit nandito yung mga gift nyo? Si teacher pang nag-birthday. Kunin ninyo.
KJ, happy birthday.